Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will see how to install and configure MariaDB. Maria is an open source database and it's based on MySQL. So the commands I'll execute will be somehow like the ones I execute in MySQL. So let's first off start with how to install the MariaDB. To install the MariaDB, you will run this command and it will be yum install MariaDB, MariaDB-libs, MariaDB-server -y. Alright, now the MariaDB has been installed. Second thing I'm gonna do here is that I'll start the MariaDB service and enable it to start automatically when the system boots. So first of all, to start it, I'm gonna type this command, systemctl start MariaDB, and then now I'm gonna check its status, and that will be systemctl status MariaDB. And up over here, you can see that the service is active and running. This means that the MariaDB has started successfully. The next step I'm gonna do is that I want the MariaDB to start automatically every time I boot the system without having to manually start it. So I'm gonna type systemctl and then enable MariaDB. Alright, so now after installing the MariaDB and setting it to enable automatically, the next step I'm going to do here is that we will need to configure it. So I will do so by running this command, mysql_secure_installation, and this command will configure the initial configuration for MariaDB. Now it's asking for a MariaDB user root password, and this is different from the Linux user root. That is the MariaDB user root. So we have just installed it. Now we didn't set a password, so we will just press enter. It's asking me if I want to set a password or no, so I'll press on Y and enter. And now I will type on the password. Now it's asking me if I want to remove anonymous users. I'll make it yes by typing Y and enter. So it'll ask me if I want to remove test database. I'll make this as yes also. Reload privileged tables now, make it yes, and enter. Alright. Now after finishing the installation of the MariaDB, I'll connect to the console management. And I will do so by typing this command, mysql -u root -b. To ask me for the password. This will be the password for the user root of the MariaDB, the one that we have just created. So I will type in the password. Alright, now I'm in the MariaDB console management. From here I can create databases and users and run queries. To display the databases created in MariaDB, I'll run show databases and then a semicolon. So these are the databases I have here, and all of these are created by default. Okay, now if you want to exit the console, you type exit. And now let's have a look at the MariaDB configuration file. That will be nano/etc/my.cnf. So this is the MariaDB configuration file. I'll now exit. And then now let's have a look at the MariaDB installation path. And this will be in /var/lib/mysql. Alright, so this is the MariaDB installation path, and in here, any database that you create on MariaDB will be saved in here. And by that, this lesson is complete. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.